Okay, the other thing that we just have to show you on this episode are those drones. You remember that drone that's been taking pictures of all of this?
Which of course got grounded because it's now pouring, absolutely. So the first part of the review, make them waterproof from now.
Yeah, but the rest of it, I have to say those drones are really game changers in more ways than one. Take a look at the drone and what it can actually do.
As Vikram and Rajiv speed off to enjoy the rough terrain, the team from Quidich hooked us up with two amazing machines to get a bird's eye view of the action. But before we take a closer look at the copter, let's find out what it takes to be able to handle one of these.
So what we have here are multi-rotor systems. This particular one is an octocopter. These particular machines are capable of going up to 500 meters from the location of the remote. So you can fly around like we've been doing, following the Polaris around. So these machines run on a radio frequency. They're not very easy to fly. It requires a decent amount of training for you to be able to fly these machines because you've got 8 rotors spinning and it can be very unsafe. So it requires a little bit of training, a good 3 or 4 months of good training before which you can fly this. In terms of capability of what it can do, it can give you shots that no other equipment can give you. So the potential is a lot, but it requires a lot of training before that. So before you get your hands on one, make sure you've got some good training.
First up is the Nimbus 2000, a customized solution offering the ability to serve up low-flying dynamic shots with the ability to navigate tight spaces. The copter can be rigged with a GoPro and offers the ability to send a reference video to the pilot for extra precision while taking shots. The flatbed quadcopter base, combined with 4 rotors, gives a top speed of 30 kilometers to the hour. The copter also has a 2-axis gimbal, which allows the operator to get shots with a single-axis tilt control, and it has an operating range of 400 meters. Now all this, as you can guess, is pretty intensive on the battery, and the Nimbus lasts for about 14 minutes on a single charge. The Thunderbird offers more with enhanced image control to boot. The copter can be rigged with a DSLR to offer better image quality. The co-axis octacopter offers 8 rotors that help combat strong wind and can reach a top speed of 45 kilometers to the hour. The 3-axis gimbal offers more flexibility when taking shots, and an independent camera operator can be assigned to control the camera, and an SD feed can be transmitted to monitors on the ground to fine-tune your shots. The Thunderbird has an operating range of 1000 meters with 16 minutes of runtime on a single charge.